One of the central parts of this week's Parashat, Shemot, is the Mareh Hasner, where Hashem appears to Moshe and charges him to become the Shaliach to deliver Bnei Yisrael from Mitzrayim. And he tells Moshe to tell Bnei Yisrael that Hashem says, Pakod pakadati atchem. I have indeed taken account of you, v'tasui lechem b'Mitzrayim. And moreover, in Pasuk Yudchet of Perek Gimel, Hashem said, V'shamu lekalecha, they'll believe you. They'll listen to you. Rashi explains that the reason why Moshe was assured that they would listen to him is because he was using the words pakod pakadati. This is the code, so to speak, the words that everyone knew, but that when the Goel comes, he will come with these words pakod pakadati. They were told pakod yivkod, the double expression. So Moshe has been told Bnei Yisrael will listen to him. In the beginning of Perek Dalet, just a few psukim later, the pasuk tells us, Vayan Moshe vayomar, ve'hen lo yaminu li. They won't believe me, ve'lo yishma'u b'koli, and they won't listen to me. So the question is, how can Moshe say to Hashem, lo yishma'u b'koli, they won't listen to me, if Hashem just told them a few psukim earlier that they will listen to you, v'shamu lekalecha. And moreover, we see that Hashem agrees to Moshe because he gives him the signs, as opposed to saying, they will listen to you, as I just mentioned. To understand this question, we need to ask another question. If Moshe says pakod pakadati, they'll listen to him, because everyone knows that the Goel will say pakod pakadati. If everyone knows it, then why should they listen to him? If it's a known thing that the Goel will say those words, so it doesn't mean that he's the Goel, because everyone knows that's how the Goel begins. The answer to these questions is based in the Maharal and developed by the Malbim. We have in Lashon HaKodesh two ways of listening to someone. There is lishmoa bikol and there is lishmoa likol. What is the difference between those two types of listening? The letter lamed has a connotation of distance from A to B. A to B, aleph, le, taf. And therefore lishmoa likol means you hear what the person is saying, and then you make up your mind if you wish to agree with them or follow them. Lishmoa bikol, on the other hand, the bet means within. You're subsumed within them. And that refers to hearing what they say and following whatever it is they say to do. There is no guarantee that if Moshe says, pakod pakadati, that they will believe that he is the Goel. Hashem never said, visham'u bikolecha. He said, visham'u likolecha. As soon as you say the words pakod pakadati, one thing is for sure, they will listen to what you will say. That said, Moshe counters and asks, V'hem lo yaminu li v'lo yishma'u bikoli. As much as they may listen likoli, they'll give me a hearing, but why should they believe me? They'll say, Hashem didn't appear to you. Indeed, we can find a precedent for these two types of listening in the two times that Avram listened to Sarah. When she told him to take Hagar as a wife, the pasuk says, Vayishma Avram lekol ishto, because he thought about it and agreed with her, and therefore he heard and decided to go along with it. The next time Sarah tells him to do something is to send Yishmael away, and Avram does not think it's a good idea. Vayera hadavar ba'od be'nei Avraham. And Hashem appears to him and says, it doesn't matter what you think. Kol asher tamar elecha Sarah shema bikola. It's that type of listening. You may not agree, you're not shomea likola, I'm telling you lishmoa bikola. And therefore, we see through the precision of Lashon HaKodesh that lishmoa likol and lishmoa bikol are almost two different worlds. Moshe is assured only a hearing through vishamu lekolecha. He then asks, but why should they follow me? And the answer is with the simanim that Hashem proceeds to give him as the rest of the parsha proceeds to unfold.